Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Adri. As you can see, I went for the more dramatic style of Christmas makeup today. This is for my braver souls who like to go out and wear colorful makeup, who want to slay a very dramatic, colorful look on Christmas or whenever you want to, or just for a picture if you're like me. Later, I'll be coming out. I will be recording a soft glam makeup for Christmas, so just look out for that. That will be coming next, I believe. If not, it'll be coming before Christmas. Hopefully. Oh, I don't know, because also, like, I'm doing this video, like, right before Christmas, so I'm pretty sure I'll have time. Hopefully. But, if anything, just come for me later. And if not, I'll do it maybe after Christmas, and it could be a glam for whenever. I'm more of a soft glam girl, but I also wanted to give you guys this option, of course. Props to you if you can rock this look, dude. If you can rock this look anywhere outside of your house, because I cannot. Hopefully this isn't too long, but I feel like it's going to be a little bit of a longer one than I want it to be. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the video. And that is it for this dramatic Christmas makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. Leave a comment, or I don't know, tell me how your day went. Also, I'm gonna do it. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna tell you to like or subscribe. I'm not gonna do it. If you want to, go ahead, but I'm not gonna tell you. I think we are done here. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!